Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Today in this video, I will be sharing some more basic preparation which will be helpful for your daily life as well as for working ladies, and now at this point of time it is for the month of Ramadan. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do sure like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. In my previous video, I shared the review about the same brand, that is Dash Company egg maker. Now in this video, you will be seeing in the morning breakfast the waffles. Really, it is very useful one, I would say. Small and cute, very quickly you can make. It is nice. Often we make pancakes, especially blueberry pancakes, chocolate pancakes and so. But waffles are the one which we make very rarely if you have waffle maker. Because in the same batter you will be making it in different shape. That's it. Soon after the breakfast, when boys are out of house to school, I start my preparation for the month of Ramadan. First, I am going to boil all the beetroots in Instapot. In Instapot, it took 10 minutes for me to nicely cook it soft. Followed by I started cutting all my vegetables, especially carrot and beans are the two things which I keep in ample amount in freezer. This is all through the year very helpful tip for everybody. When I cook rice, for 1 cup rice, always I take 1 cup of carrot and 1 cup of beans. You can imagine what goes into everybody's plate. More of veggies and less of rice, which is very good and healthy option for everybody to follow. Also, it is very helpful for making savory sevaiya, that is vermicelli, or even macaroni and noodles. In the month of Ramadan, when your energy levels are low, these cut vegetables are very helpful for you when you are making either macaroni, either noodles or even rice, vegetable rice, everything. These veggies will be very helpful. Whenever I have free time, I cut these vegetables and keep it in Ziploc, and especially keep it in freezer. Do not keep in fridge. In fridge, the shelf life is very less. Especially in my day-to-day life, I will be keeping these vegetables ready or adding it in the rice. Next, let's move on to the beetroot. Beets are nice and soft. I will be storing it in the fridge for whole week long. In our family, we have the habit of making this salad for iftar regularly. We will make it. Gives nice coolness to your tummy. In any salad, you can add beets like this, boiled beets with nice vinegar, lemon, salt, pepper. Very tasty and also very good for health. Always in the month of Ramadan, it is very good to add whole lot of veggies of this kind, either in the form of cooking in rice or like in the side of your plate as a salad. Next is the Pakoda mix, which is very helpful for everybody in the month of Ramadan. 4 cups of besan or gram flour I have taken, and 1 cup heaped rice flour I am adding in. Do not add corn flour. I have seen many sharing the recipe of that kind. 1 tablespoon jeera, 1 teaspoon of ajwain, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of normal chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of hing, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and salt to taste. Mix everything in the pakoda mix which we have prepared and nicely give it a good mix. How easy it will be in the month of Ramadan. Evening you just go grab 1 or 2 scoop, how much ever you need to make bhaji, pakoda or even for chicken pakoda. Nearing to the iftar time, taking each and every ingredient and mixing the pakoda mix is a real headache work, I would say. For that reason, if you keep this premix ready, it is very easy, quick, and you will also feel relaxed. You definitely give it a try. I have showed in small quantity. You can make with this same ratio in big batches too. Next is also a very wonderful premix, I would say. I have taken 6 cups of all-purpose flour. To that I will be adding 2 cups of cornstarch or corn flour. Heat. If you want more crispy chicken, you can add 1 more cup of cornstarch also, but I will keep 2 cups for 6 cups only. For this premix, always keep chicken in your fridge marinated in salt and buttermilk. Seasonings I am going to use is garlic powder 1 tablespoon. I have taken paprika. You can take chili powder if you want, onion powder, pepper powder and oregano, and salt to taste. These are the spices I am going to add in them. In our house we like little bit spicy one. Later on I will add chili powder also. If you are a spice lover, you can also add the chili powder in this premix. Nicely give it a good mix and keep it ready for making chicken popcorns anytime. You can make chicken popcorn by marinating small pieces of boneless chicken in the buttermilk and salt overnight, and next day just pull out the chicken and roll it in this flour and deep fry. You will never go to either Chick-fil-A or KFC or even Popeyes. You can enjoy all these good chicken at home when you have this premix ready. Next I am preparing all dry powders, especially Zeera powder will be very useful in the month of Ramadan, as we will be making lot of chaats. For any chana chaat or even dahi chaat, I will use Zeera powder in it for adding extra flavor to the dish. Also garam masala is also one of the important thing which we'll be always using for many dishes. Normal garam masala I make is cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, pepper and zeera. That's all, nothing else. But this garam masala which I am showing you is the Shahi Zafrani garam masala. Sure, give it a try. Cinnamon 4 in number, 1 tablespoon of cardamom, 1 tablespoon clove, 4 to 5 mace and 2 nutmeg, 4 big cardamom, that is black cardamom, and 4 star anise, 2 tablespoon of pepper and 1 teaspoon of shahi zeera and 3 teaspoon of zeera and 4 bay leaves I have taken and 2 tablespoon of whole coriander. All these things you have to roast, but one thing you should not roast, that is the saffron. This saffron will also add extra flavor, and you will see that this garam masala is going to be very flavorful when you roast it and grind it and keep. You have to use only less than quarter teaspoon in any dish at the last to retain the flavor in your dish. This recipe I am just sharing because I keep this recipe always ready at home to make any dish special. You can use this garam masala. Otherwise, I use normal day-to-day life. I use normal garam masala, which recipe I told previously before this. This is special Shahi Zafrani garam masala, that is normal garam masala and zeera powder. Few of these things which I was running out, I prepared and I kept this also ready. All our premixes are ready. Bonda bhaji mix, fried chicken and chicken popcorn mix, and all these zafrani garam masala and also zeera powder. Next is also an important tip, I would say. Last year I shared another base recipe, that is one base multiple taste. I will leave the link in the description box. Sure, give it a try. That is also very nice recipe, and this is also super awesome recipe. In a large kadai, I have just taken oil for frying. In that, cinnamon, cardamom and cloves and little bit of zeera, followed by onions. Onions are nicely translucent. To that I added salt, and now tomatoes. 7 onions and 9 tomatoes I have taken in this recipe. Nicely give it a good mix and let it cook until soft and tender. Now I will be adding half cup of cashews and half cup of melon seeds. These are the thickening agents in this recipe. I will not cook, just give it a good mix and cover it and leave for the masala to get it completely cooled. When it cools completely, make it into fine paste and keep it ready. Next, in a plate, I am just taking 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili, 1 tablespoon of normal chili powder, and ginger garlic paste. It is 2 tablespoon it was. Nicely give it a good mix with the help of 1 glass of water. If you mix all this 1 glass of water and then keep it for frying, the masala won't burn. Now take some more oil in the same open pot when you're preparing this recipe. Keep in mind, take a nice wide open pot to cook. Nicely fry this masala in oil so that all the raw smell is completely gone. To that I will be adding the ground paste. This recipe is very useful. Why I would say, last year I did the same and kept it. Was very useful. Whenever your energy levels are going low and you're not having the mood of cooking, just take a portion of this masala which you keep ready, that is base mix, and you can prepare anything you like, chicken kadai or paneer kadai, or even for chana masala or mutton masala. So many dishes you can make with the help of this base recipe. Do not leave it and sit for every 10 minutes. Once you just keep giving it a stir and close, because we have added cashews and melon seeds, it will tend to stick to the bottom. So definitely come every 10 minutes and mix it. I cooked it for around 45 minutes to 1 hour. It took for me to reach at that point what I will be showing you. When the oil oozes out, you will know that the masala is completely ready and you can off the flames and let it cool completely. You can store them in small portions like small boxes I have. Otherwise, you can use even Ziplocs to make nice space in your freezer. Just this little small box itself will help you make nice big bowl of a curry. Anything, chicken, mutton, fish, even chana masala or paneer masala. I will show you paneer kadai with the help of one small box. Keep watching. Any recipe I am sharing is not for the whole full 1 month. These are all small tips to help yourself when you are really tired and you will not feel like cooking. At that time, just go grab one small box out of your freezer and you can make anything and everything. You don't need to add anything to the masala. Just add chicken in the kadai and add this small box and dilute it with water, because it's a nice thick paste. Now I am making paneer kadai. I have just taken onion and capsicum. Just give it a stir fry followed by paneer. I will just be frying this for 2 minutes or 5 minutes. Add little bit of salt. Only for this paneer and onions, capsicum you are adding salt. Otherwise everything else is there in this base masala itself. Just add enough water. How much ever the consistency you like, you adjust, and your curry is very much ready. To make it more creamier, I will add little bit of cream and just garnish with coriander. That's it. This way you can make with chicken or mutton. It is very helpful. I personally tried this last year. That's why I am preparing this year as well. This year I am not sharing any kebab, sheikh kebab or cutlet recipes, as I have made whole lot of recipes last year itself. I will leave the link in the description box. Sure, give it a try. Those are very awesome recipes. More preparations are coming next week. Keep watching. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Take care, stay safe. Soon I'll be back with another video. Until then, bye bye.